In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency on Zoho Books. If you work with customers, vendors, or banks in different countries, adding the right currency in Zoho Books makes your invoices, bills, and reports accurate and professional. I'll walk you through the exact path to add a new currency so you can start using it right away in your transactions. First, open Zoho Books and head to your dashboard. This is the home screen you see after signing in, and it gives you a quick snapshot of your finances. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one. The steps are the same regardless of your plan or region, though your screen might look slightly different depending on updates. Next, look for the Settings button, which appears as a small gear icon, typically at the bottom left of the sidebar. Click that. Think of this area as the control center for how your books behave. Everything from taxes to templates lives here, and currencies are managed from this section as well. Inside the Settings panel, find and click on Currencies. This opens a list of all the currencies currently available in your Zoho Books organization. You'll see your base currency listed at the top, along with any additional currencies you may have added before. Remember, adding a currency here doesn't change your base currency. It simply lets you transact in that new currency for customers, vendors, or specific documents. Now, click New Currency. A form will appear where you can add the currency you need. Use the search or drop-down to pick the correct ISO code and name, for example, USD for US dollar or EUR for euro, and check that the symbol and format look right for your region. If there's a field for the exchange rate, you can enter the current rate relative to your base currency so that conversions calculate correctly on reports and documents. If you're unsure of the exact rate, you can save now and fine-tune it later. Take a moment to verify the decimal places and symbol position if those options are shown. A quick review here helps prevent formatting issues on invoices. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new currency is now active. From this point on, when you create an invoice, bill, or estimate, or when you set a customer or vendor's preferred currency, you'll be able to select the one you just added. If you don't see the option, refresh your browser and try again. And if you still can't access currencies, you may need the appropriate permissions from your administrator. That's it. Your new currency is ready to use in Zoho Books.